In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the effect of opening and closing the stage red curtain in PowerPoint 2013. You'll find that adding this curtain effect can dramatically enhance your presentations, lending them a theatrical flair that grabs your audience's attention right from the start. To begin, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have your presentation up, then great, we're halfway there. You'll first navigate to the specific slide where you want to add this curtain effect. Now, look for the Insert tab at the top of your window. Wouldn't you want this part to be embedded perfectly with your presentation? Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, the next thing you're going to do is select Pictures. Here, we're specifically going to use the Stock Images option. This feature is especially handy because it offers a variety of professional images without the need to source them externally. Now, with the stock image browser open, search for a curtain image. Look for one that best fits your theme or artistic vision. Ideally, a classic red velvet curtain makes for an iconic stage effect. When you find the right one, hit Insert. With your curtain image now placed onto the slide, the next step is to resize it. You want to drag the corner so that it fits the entirety of your slide as perfectly as possible. It may take a couple of little adjustments, but ensuring it fully covers the slide will make the curtain effect even more realistic. This step will set the stage for our animation. Now return once more to the Insert tab, click to add a new blank slide. This isn't just any slide, it's where the magic of transitions begins. Head over to the Transitions tab where you'll find a lot of creative options for slide transitions. Look for the Transition Effects drop down menu here. You'll see a list of different transformations and animations available. The one you're looking for is the curtain effect. Select it to apply this effect to your blank slide. Doing so will simulate the appearance of curtains moving across the stage, precisely the theatrical touch we're aiming to achieve. With the effect set in place, it will automatically animate your slide transitions, offering this remarkable opening and closing presentation style. From here on, every time you switch to or from this slide, you will see the curtain effect beautifully roll out. Just imagine the build-up of anticipation as the curtains reveal your next big point or dramatic plot twist in your presentation. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create the effect of opening and closing the stage red curtain on PowerPoint 2013. It's a simple yet powerful addition that can enrich your presentation's impact. I hope you find this tutorial useful in making your slideshows more dynamic and engaging, so go ahead and give your audience a presentation they won't forget.